Hello guys and welcome back to another video. I'm Karen, and in today's video I will guide you a little bit on how, or more exactly what to pack when you are going to study abroad. From my personal experience, I overpacked. I brought with me about 3 luggages, and that is too much. I was thinking, what if I don't find this? What if they're too expensive over there? What if? So just think about what you really need for the first few weeks or the first month, like the essentials. You can always buy more stuff once you are settled, so please do not overpack like I did. So this video is to help you not to repeat the mistake that I made, so let's get packing. Make sure you pack all important documents, such as passport, your university offer letter, or any transcripts you might need for uni. Don't forget your camera, some cash in British pounds, your phone, laptop, and your chargers. Remember, for any technology item that you will bring, make sure you have the necessary adapter or for your chargers. Maybe you need a special charger in the airport, so you don't want to be like struggling. But if you can't find one in your home country, don't worry. Here in the UK, you can find universal adapters, and that will help. Pack a book to read on the plane and a journal to make any notes. Include an outfit in case of an emergency, travel size toiletries, and any medicine you might need. For your main luggage, remember to roll your clothes so you have more space. Also, take into account the changing weather. You will want to pack a few comfortable shoes, including a pair for any special occasion. For winter, pack some sweaters, jeans, scarves, hats, and gloves. So this is a funny one. In Colombia we don't have winter, and when it is cold I can wear my scarves from Colombia, but the scarves that I bring from there are useless here. They really don't help. So if you are coming from a country where it is really cold and you have the proper clothing, then bring them if you feel comfortable that they will be really useful. But if not, then just wait until you get here and you buy a proper scarf or proper gloves or a proper winter jacket, because that's what I had to do. I overpacked in the first place, and then what I brought really didn't help that much, so I had to buy more things. So yeah, do not make that mistake. For summer, include some tops, shorts, and dress, as well as your swimming suit. For spring and autumn, you will need long sleeve tops and light jackets. And last but not least, some underwear, pajamas, and warm socks. And finally, don't forget to bring any personal items that you think you will miss, or anything that will remind you home, such as some special photos or anything else, but just make sure it doesn't occupy too much space in your luggage. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find it really helpful. Let us know if we missed anything, any special items. I will see you on the next video for Student Life. Bye!